This is actually a pool, and this is like a boat kind of thing, sitting place that they have made. And this is the entry. Actually, at this gorgeous property, and I'm here to host my show. And this is such an amazing property. So I love my work because that way it's only my work through which I get to travel and to explore places. So that's about it. What I'm wearing, it's an absolutely gorgeous gown, and this is like my favorite. Whenever I don't have anything to wear in my shows, I go for this, and I love it. I'm actually taking baby steps because it's dark here. Everything is so dark. I hope you can hear me. You guys are there in my Snapchat, you have already seen this, but I got so many gifts from my client, and I'm so happy. And when I was coming, like when I was oops, when I was coming outside from the venue, I saw this little tiny box that he had given me, and I was like, just actually sneaking like what I have in there, and I thought that they are chocolates. But when I got home, I was jumping all around. I was jumping everywhere because when I saw this teeny tiny box over here, let me just show you. So this was the box, and when you open it, it's makeup. I have never ever seen any of my clients giving me makeup, and this time I got makeup. It is this beautiful lipstick that I've already swatched here. Beautiful matte lipstick, and this lavender pink kind of shade nail paint, which is so heavy. Like I think it'll last me like for 3-4 years. It's this like heavy. And this is 3-in-1 makeup cleansing bar with shea butter and vitamin E. And the lipstick also has vitamin E. So this is from Sea Soul Makeup HD Professional from Australia, and they have their store in DLF Phase 1 Gurgaon. So this was it, and then I got this box which has these dry fruits. Let me have one. Dry fruits, and I also got this airtight ceramic or glass jar, I don't know, which has almonds. So that was it, and I was about to throw the box, and then I saw this drawer section, and I was like, wow. And then I tried opening it. Wait, let me open it. There was this desi ghee ki badam, no, desi ghee ki, what do you call it, besan barfi. And then I saw this, and this is this beautiful silver coin that I got from them. And I always get silver coins whenever I'm hosting for especially Bania family. They always give me silver coins, and this is now added to my bucket. And yeah, so right now it's 1:30. My boy is coming tomorrow from Jammu, so I think I have to go tomorrow to pick her up from railway station, and I will keep you guys posted. And this time I started my vlog like when I was already there at my venue. So Rosiad, yeah. So that's all, and see you guys after my changing. Finally, I have changed back to PJs, and no, okay, who doesn't love PJs? Like, seriously? Seriously? Are you normal if you don't love PJ? I love it. So, I'm actually watching this series, Better Things, which is actually nice. You should watch it. And I watched this way my okay. So I watched this movie called Waitress, which I kind of liked it. It was a very simple, normal movie, and then I'm actually watching this series called Better Things. So that's it. There's only one season, and I'm like on the fifth episode now, so almost halfway there. So that's it. I'm gonna watch that series, and it's almost 2, and after that I'm gonna go to sleep, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night. I completely forgot. Oh, Jerry डर गया. आजो शॉली 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 मांग रही. मैं कुच्चू कुच्चू ऑलवेज स्लीपी. सोना है बस उसको, सोना है. पूरी रात जागरण करता है. रात को भी सोते हो, दिन में भी सोते हो. अच्छा नहीं, हैंड नहीं पकड़ रहा आपका. जेरी हैप्पी. चिकन खाना है, चिकन खाना जेरी. चलो लोधी गार्डन जाना है. लोधी गार्डन ये देखो ऑलरेडी. ओ देखो जा भी रहे हैं लोधी गार्डन. अपने आप अकेले जाएंगे आज. ओके, आई सो फॉरगॉट that I'm vlogging today, and I just couldn't vlog what I was having in breakfast. So I had 2 toast with chai. Normally I don't like. I had this for like after ages. Jerry's coming back disheartened that he's not going to Lodi Garden. So yes, I have to go to parlor to get my threading done. I think you guys can see the mooch and the eyebrows. So let me just show you. Bye. Oh shit, मधुमक्खी. ए, उसको नहीं काटना. गर्मी है बाहर. अंदर आओ, अंदर आओ. कहाँ बाहर बैठोगे? ओश, मधुमक्खी यहाँ पे कैसे आई? ये कैसे मरी? जेरी, तूने तो नहीं कुछ किया? मुंह सूज जाएगा तेरा, स्वेल हो जाएगा बिल्कुल. दिखाओ, माउथ खोलो. आपने क्या किया? आपने क्या किया? मधुमक्खी कैसे मर गई? कैसे मर गई मधुमक्खी? कैसे? किक्कू किक्कू. ओके, द फनी थिंग इज कि जेरी के हाथों में बहुत ज्यादा गुदगुदी होती है. दे आर लाइक टिकलिंग, टिकली टिकली. लुक 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 लुक. And then it'll sit like this. Actually, I went to parlor and it's Tuesday today, so I didn't, know that we'll be closed. So now no parlor is open right now. So I think I'm gonna do my eyebrows on my own. I have been doing my eyebrows for like 3-4 years, and it's only been like since after my 12th I used to do my eyebrows on my own, and then I left doing it because kind of lazy ass. And so I think I'll have to do it today. So this and upper. So I'm gonna catch with you guys once I'm done with all the grooming and stuff. It is 4:45. It is 4:45 in the evening. So yeah, done with my eyebrows and upper lip thing. And yes, so I am going to get ready. It is around 5. रुक जा, आ रही हूँ. So it is around 5, and then I have to. That's Cherry sleeping. हाँ, आंटी जी इधर सो रही हैं. And after that I have to go to my friend's wedding, and that would be late night. So yes, I'll go to my friend's wedding after completing my show. That's it. So I'm just gonna get ready and see you guys. Yeah. मम्मा उठ जाओ ना. लहंगा प्रेस कर दो please. राखी हंस ले राखी हंस ले डांस करो झाड़ू छोड़ो आंटी कह रही है उनको गाना समझ नहीं आ रहा I'm in love with the shape of you करो डांस अच्छा मेरी बात So sorry, I just couldn't vlog and I got ready and now I'm on my way to my venue and that's my beautiful mama. Hi. So that's all. I'm already very late. So yes, see you at the venue. It's 2 hours and I haven't reached my venue and we are like too late. Traffic sucks. Really. हम तो गिर पड़े बिजली के दाम ओ जालिमा इमोशनल ब्लैकमेल स्माइल ब्यूटीफुल मदर हम बहुत लड़ते हैं दोनों माँ बेटियाँ इतना लड़ते हैं और सबसे ज्यादा प्यार भी हम करते हैं प्यार मेरे को तो पता लगेगा ओ जालिमा beautiful mommy already 2:30 and I actually had some plans that I'll go to my friend's wedding but then we are too late and I'm finally going back to my place and it's jam packed. See all trucks around, it's jam packed. I'm so freaking tired. और बहनों टाइम देखो और ये देखो 2:30 बज रहे हैं रात के और इतना ट्रैफिक दिल्ली में हद हो गई यार। हम लोगों को ड्राइव करते हुए अब आई थिंक आते हुए हमें लगे थे 2.5 घंटे और अब हमें ऑलरेडी 1.5 घंटा तो हो ही गया है निकले हुए। We left at somewhere around 1:45, so it's 2:30 right now and it's all jam packed. So it's morning and good morning and I don't have any makeup on because I have to do it once I reach my venue. So I just have my lipstick on which is from Savannah and eyebrows done. That's it. So yes, I have another event in the morning and then in the evening as well. I really wanna next time make a vlog when I am not working. I don't have any work in the evening or anything, so that I can just show you how I am a lazy bum at home. So that's it. And yes, the outfit of the day is this cool top that I got from GK2 Market with my only jeans and the loafers are from Claude Lorraine Jabong. So that's it. And do you want to see Jerry, by the way? Jerry is like completely, let me show you, lounging. Jerry? Oh, show jo. So, 1 second. So, that's it for this vlog and that was a vlog of 3 days actually. Thank you. Bye.